Okay, this is class 3, my classroom, and here we have the benches. They are so badly in need of repairs, or if we could get new benches, that would be so good, because right now they are not appropriate.
How would you like to attend a black tie affair while supporting the JAHJAH Foundation, a non-profit organization doing great work for the underserved in Jamaica? Join us for an elegant evening inclusive of a 5-course dinner, all-night open premium bar, as well as prizes and giveaways. Donations of $150 per person goes towards upcoming projects to include the renovation of the Mango Hall Basic School and the Savanna-la-Mar Public General Hospital Ultrasound Suite. Be part of the change. Saturday, June 3rd, 7 p.m. to midnight at the Graycliff, 122 Moonachie Avenue, Moonachie, New Jersey, minutes from Teterboro and Hackensack, New Jersey. Tickets available on eventbrite.com. Search for JAHJAH Foundation 2017 or call us at 917-531-3699. Learn more about the foundation at jahjahfoundation.org. Get your tickets early. This will be another sold-out event.
Thank you, JAHJAH Foundation, for helping us.